Hey Pedro, you're gonna tell us, you came in to my clinic today complaining of what?
A stiff neck that I woke up with one on Wednesday.
Mm-hmm.
But we heard about you, so we came here.
So
And
you were able to sleep before?
no, I wasn't able to sleep for 3 days.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly I just kept my eyes open. But she really helped me with my neck, and now I can move it around, go up and down. Feels better.
How much percent are you feeling better?
Yeah, 100%. I feel 100% better.
Wow.
10 out of 10.
Okay. You're very welcome.
Thank you.